A 23-year-old student from Telangana lost his life in the US after an accidental gun misfire on his birthday. Aryan Reddy, a native of Telangana's Uppal, was pursuing a master's degree at Georgia State University. According to reports, Aryan had obtained a hunting gun license in the US. Reddy died of bullet injuries after the gun accidentally misfired when he was using the firearm. Speaking to the media, Aryan's father expressed profound grief and urged other parents to exercise caution about their children obtaining a gun license while studying abroad. "We were unaware that students could acquire hunting gun licenses there. No parent should ever face such a tragedy," he said. Data shared by US consular officials in Hyderabad revealed that India displaced China to become the top country in sending students to US universities in 2023-24. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana played a pivotal role, with nearly 56% of Indian students heading to the US from these two states.